Hello everyone, welcome to day 14 of 30 days LeetCode challenge. Today we are going to solve for some problem require us to find all unique quadruplets in a given array nums that sum up to the target. The solution must not contain duplicate quadruplets. Here you can see one example for the reference where the input is nums is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 2 and the target is 0. And in the output you can see all the possible combination from where we can get the sum 0. To solve this problem we will extend the two pointer technique used in two sum and three sum problem. So here is the plan. So first we will sort the array which will help us to avoid the duplicates and simplifies our two pointer technique. In step 2 we will iterate with the first two pointers. And in step 3, we will use two-pointer approach for remaining two numbers. In the last step, we will return the result. By keeping these steps in mind, let's start coding. First, we will declare result array list. In the next step, to handle the edge cases, we will check if nums is equal to null or nums.length is less than 4, then we will return the result. Then, as mentioned in step 1, we will sort the array. For that, we will use arrays.sort method. In step 2, as mentioned, we will have a for loop which will iterate from I is equal to 0 to I is less than nums.length minus 3. And to avoid the duplicates for first number, we will check if I is greater than 0 and nums of I is equal to nums of I minus 1. And if it is, then we will continue the loop. After that, we will have another for loop which will iterate from j is equal to I plus 1 till nums.length minus 2. And similarly, for skipping the duplicates for second number, we will check if j is greater than I plus 1 and nums of j is equal to nums of j minus 1. Then we will continue. Now let's move our step 3 inside the loop and declare two variables. Int left which will initialize to j plus 1 and int right which will be initialized to nums of length minus 1. Now we will have a while loop which will iterate till left is less than right. Inside the while loop, we will have variable sum and we will add nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of left plus nums of right. Now this sum can be equal to target or less than target or greater than target. So we will have if conditions based on that. So first we will check if sum is equal to target. Else if sum is less than target, else sum is greater than target. Then we will add all of these four elements inside the array. Then for skipping the duplicates for third and fourth number, we will check if left is less than right and nums of left is equal to nums of left plus 1. Then we will increase the left pointer. And similarly, we will check for the right. If left is less than right and nums of right is equal to nums of right minus 1, then we will decrease the right pointer. And after that, to get a unique number, we will move our pointer again. So we will do left plus plus and right minus minus. Now in the else condition, if sum is less than, it means we need a greater sum. For that, we will increase the left pointer. Else, we will decrease the right pointer to get a smaller sum. And in the last step, we will return the result. Now check if everything looks fine. I think it is. Let's try to run the code. And we got a wrong answer. Let's go through the code again. So first we sorted the array, then we declare a for loop, and then so here you can see at line 16 I have written j plus 1, so it should be j minus 1. So we'll just make that, and now we will try to rerun the code. And now it's working fine. Also, when I was trying to submit the code, I was getting error for the long numbers. So you can add this line which you can see on the screen, and then your code will work fine. Sorting the array helps in managing duplicates and simplifies the two-pointer technique. Four-pointer technique extends the two-pointer technique by fixing two pointers and finding pairs for the remaining two pointers. And skipping duplicates at each level of iteration ensure the uniqueness of the quadruplets in the result. I think this approach ensures we can find all the unique quadruplets that sum up to the target efficiently. That's it for today's explanation. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more problem solving insights tomorrow. Happy coding!